Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, guys. I'm so happy to have you here on this video as I answer all your questions like you requested me to do, like a step-to-step video on how I make both my clove and clove oil, my clove water and clove oil, guys. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna take you step by step on how I make the measurements I use, and then I hope by the end of it you will have already learned one thing or two about how you can make your hair healthier, longer, and beautiful. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get into this video. Let's begin with the clove water, guys. So for the clove water, all you'll need is this clove. And for me, I use 1.5 spoons or maximum 2 spoons. And I'm hoping by the time that you're watching this video, you've already watched how my hair has been growing for the past 4 months on clove only. And I am imagining that you have already learned all the do's and don'ts of the clove. And yeah, so I usually do that, and then I will just add water to that level. I'll shake it well, and then I will store it in the pantry. So that is all I do for the clove water. I shake it well, and then I store in the pantry. I leave it there for 3 days and then take it out. Then I don't throw away the seeds after I have sieved out the water, but we will get to that shortly. For the clove oil, guys, you'll need the measurement that you need to be grinding, which is 1.5 or 2 spoons. Then you'll go ahead and grind these. Then you will have some small particles just like these, guys, and then this is what you use to store. We will do the same thing. We will put this into a container, and then we will cover with olive oil. But a disclaimer, I just used a very small portion of olive oil because I was not planning to make any clove water for my hair or oil because I have enough amount at the moment. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a very small amount as I show you on this demonstration, but you can add as much as you want. Then soak it for 3 days, and yeah, after 3 days then we come back and double heat. This is exactly 72 hours later, guys. This thing has been sitting, and I will not throw away the clove seeds for the water because I will reinfuse them for the next 15 days. But yeah, that is something, you should get something close to this after 3 days. So yeah, let's go ahead and double heat it now. Once your water has heated up, guys, you'll go ahead and add the olive oil. You see, exactly like I am doing on the video, guys. You put it inside, and then you stir this for like 15 minutes, and then leave it to cool. Okay, guys? But if you don't have the time to do this, by the way, you could just directly add cloves that is not grinded, the full clove, the whole clove, into your olive oil, and then leave it there, and always use it when you need to apply to your hair. But if you have time, this is the best way to get your clove oil because it will have infused so well. But yeah, To separate your oil from the cloves, you'll just need a funnel, the bottle you're collecting it into, and a tissue, a paper towel, and just filter that. Then it's gonna be ready for use, and it will look exactly like this. I've linked all the videos I've done on my hair in the description box in case you want to know how I use it or see how I use it. And for any of my hair journals, guys, go to the playlist. And thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you and bye-bye.